Welcome to Leno. Today we are going to discuss RRB previous year quant questions. First question. HCF of 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 3 into 7 raised to and 2 raised to into 3 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 5 is. So, on finding the HCF of these two numbers, we take the highest common factors. We will get 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 is a common factor and 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is common factor from these. 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 and then 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3. So answer will be 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 3. Product of two co-prime numbers is 117. Find their HCF. Co-prime numbers. What is co-prime numbers? Pair of such numbers whose HCF is 1 are called co-prime numbers. So HCF will be 1. Find the HCF of 2 into 3 power 2 into 5 power 2, 5 into 3 into 2 power 2, 5 square into 3 into 2 power 2. So 2 is common in all these. So 2 into 3 power 2. 3 is common. Then 5 is common. So 30 will be the answer. So 30 will be the answer. Option B is the answer. Next question. What is the HCF of 148 and 370? 148 and 370. On dividing. For taking LCM, we can take the division method. So 370 by 148. There is a remainder of 74 and divide 148 with this 74. We get remainder 0. So the divisor 74 will be the HCF. So HCF is 74. Option C is the answer. The value of half of the HCF of 36 and 144. 34 and 144. So HCF is 36. So the required value 36 by 2. Answer will be 18. The HCF is so the answer will be 18. Find the HCF of 5 raised to 3 into 4 raised to 3, 3 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 2 into 4 raised to 4, 3 raised to 2 into 5 into 4 raised to 3. The common terms from these three are 5, 4 raised to 3. So 64 into 5, 320 will be the answer. Find the HCF of these three terms. So take the difference 2835, 2349. Taking the HCF of Divide 3078 divided by 2835. We will get 2835. So 243 will be the remainder. Divide this by 2835. We will get 243, remainder 405. Then also 243, we will get 162 and divide it with the 243. We will get 81 as the remainder, 162. 81 as the remainder. So we will get the answer is HCF will be 81. 81. We here take a division method. We first take 3078 and 2835 and divide it with 2835. We will get 243 and remainder 243. Divide this 243 with 2835. We will get remainder 162. Divide it with 243. We will get 81 as the answer. Next question. 245 and 343 guests will come on Sohrab's birthday. Chocolate is to be offered to each guest. The seller said that she would pack the chocolates in the carton and take back the unopened carton. But she will add the packing cost for the carton she was to pack up. In this situation, how much chocolate should Sohrab hold in each carton? Here, 245 and 343 guests will come on Sohrab's birthday. Chocolate is to be offered to each guest. Seller said that she would pack the chocolate in the carton and take back the unopened carton, but she will add the packing cost for the carton she has to pack up. In this situation, how much chocolate should Sohrab hold in each carton? So, on finding the HCF by division method, we take 245 HCF of 245 and 343 will be the answer. So find this by division method. Find this by division method. We will get a 49 remainder. Divide this 49 by 98. We will get 48 will be the HCF. So answer will be 49. 48, not 48, 49 will be the answer of this question. Next question. The number of students in a school in the 4th, 5th and 6th grade was 188, 282 and 423. Each class is divided into sections and each section had the same number of students. So what was the total minimum number of sections of these three classes? So here we have to find the minimum number of sections of these three classes. So taking HCF of 188, 282, 423, by division method. So 282 by 188. So divide it with, and 94 is the remainder. Divide it with 188. So 94, we will get 94 here. And divide 94 with 423. We will get here 376. So 47 will be the remainder. Divide this 94 by 47, we will get 47 will be the HCF. So HCF is 47. HCF is 47. So 188 divided by 47. For finding the number of students in each section of each class, 188 by 47 equal to 4. 282 divided by 47 is equal to 6. 423 divided by 47 is equal to 9. So total minimum number of sections of these classes will be 4 plus 6 plus 9 equal to 19 will be the answer. 19 will be the answer. Shiva has 24 chocolates, 36 biscuits, and 60 ice creams to distribute to her classmates. She wants each of her classmates to get the same number of each thing. What is the maximum number of classmates in which she can distribute completely without having a single thing? The total number of chocolate, biscuit, and ice cream is 24, 36, and 60. Maximum number of classmates, HCFO, 24, 36, and 60. Take HCFO 26, 36, and 60. We will get HCF will be HCF is 2 into 2 into 3 is 12. So option C will be the answer. This is the explanation of this question. What is the HCF of 2587 and 219? 2587 and 2189. So 2189 remainder we will get 358. This remainder divided by 2189. We will get 398. 398 we will get here. The remainder will be 199. Divide this with 398. We will get 2. So answer will be HCF will be the last divisor. HCF is 199. HCF is 199. Find the greatest length which can be used to measure exactly 3 cloth pieces of length 1.26 meter, 1.9 meter, and 1.62 meter respectively. Here HCFO, we take HCFO 126, 198, 160. So use division method. use division method. So the HCF here we get 18 and divide this 18 by 162. We will get 18 will be the HCF of this question, and thus the answer will be 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter will be the answer. Next question, 50 pens, 80 pencil and 65 scales were distributed among some students and found that 5 out of each item were not distributed. Find the number of students. Here, take the difference. 5 is not distributed. So, 50 minus 5, 80 minus 5, and 65 minus 5. That is 45, 75, 60. So, HCF of this taking, we will get 15 will be the HCF. HCF is 5 into 3. That is equal to 15. So 15 will be the answer of this. Which number is a factor of all numbers? 1 is a factor of all numbers. You have 20 big and 16 small diaries and what to make gift packs containing both in each pack. What is the maximum number of gift bags you can make without any leftover? 20 big and 16 small diaries. So take maximum number of gift bags will be HCF of 20 and 16. So divide 20 by 16. So answer will be 4. 4 maximum gift packs can be made. 4 maximum gift packs can be made. So answer will be option B. What is the HCF of 36, 72 and 120? Taking HCF 36 and 120. Here remainder 18. So we will get the HCF will be last divisor, that is 18 is the answer of this question. Greatest number which divided 2000 and 22,000 to leave 22 and 38 respectively as remainder is. So taking the difference of 2000 minus 22, we will get 1978 and 2200 minus 38, we will get 2162. So taking the HCF of these two numbers, 2162 and 1978, we will get by division method 2162 divided by 1978. We will get it Here we will get 138 as the remainder and divide it with 184. 138, the remainder is 46. And divide it with 138, we will get 46 as the HCF. 46 as the HCF. Greatest number that divide 140, 155, 307, leaving the remainder 5 and 7 respectively. So 5 and 7 remainder. So taking difference of 155 minus 5, we get 150. And 307 minus 7, we will get 300. And taking the HCF of 150 and 300, we will get the answer of this question. HCF of 150 and this is 150. So option C will be the largest number which divide 55, 72, 123, leaving the remainder is 2, 3, 7 and 6 respectively. 55 minus 3 will be 52 answer. And 72 minus 7 will be 65. And 123 minus 6 will be 117. So HCF of these 52, 65, 117. We will get 13 as HCF. We will get 13 as HCF. So 13, here we get 13 and divide this with 117. So 9, 13. So we will get 13 as the HCF. Hence the required largest number will be 13. Option A is the answer of this question. Greatest number that will divide 155 by 260 and 315 and leave the remainder 5, 10 and 15 respectively. So here 155 minus 5, 150, 260 minus 10, 250, and 315 minus 15, answer will be 300. And 150, 250, and 300, HCF of these, we will get 50 as the answer. Option D will be the answer of this question. What is the largest number 22703739667 must be divided by to obtain the same remainder in each case? 3739 minus 2270 equal to 1469. And 6677 minus 2270 will be 4407. So 667 minus 3739 will be 2938. Taking difference of these two and taking difference of these two and 667 minus these two. Taking the HCF of these three numbers, we will get 1469 as the answer. We will get 1469 as the answer. Find the largest number which when divide 1250 gives remainder 4 and 5 respectively. 1250 minus 4, 1246 and 1615 minus 5, we will get 1610. HCF HCF 1246 and 1610. 1610 by 1246, we will get here we taking division method to find the HCF of these two numbers. We want HCF of 1246 and 1610. So 1610 divided by 1246, we will get 3640 as the remainder. This remainder is divided with the divisor 1246. We will get 1092 and 154 is the remainder. Taking this divisor and last divisor 364 divided by 154, we will get 56 as a remainder. Taking the again divide this 154 divided by 56, we will get 42. And again divided, we will get a 14. So the last answer will be HCF will be 14 will be the answer of this question. So 14, answer of this question will be 14. And the greatest number that will divide 115, 149 and 180 remain, leaving the remainder 3 by 7. So 115 minus 3112 and 145 34 and 183 minus 7, we will get 183 minus 7, we will get 176. Taking the HCF of 112, 144 and 176. Taking the HCF of this, we will get the answer as So answer will be 16. HCF is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So answer will be 16. Find the largest possible length that can be used to measure the length of 2 meters 76 centimeter, 5 meter, 52 centimeter, 11 meter, 96 centimeter. So what we do here is the meter and the centimeter should be converted into 270 centimeter. Okay, 2 meter means 200 centimeter. So total this is 276 centimeter. Okay, 276 comma 552 comma 1196. So HCF of these three will be the answer. So we take the division method. 552 divided by 276. So 2, this will be 552. So 276. Here we get 276 and divide it with 1196 divided by 276. So 4 remainder 104 92 divided by 276. We will get 92. 92 as the HCF. HCF 92. So we will get the answer as next question. What is the largest number by which dividing 1657 and 2037 with the remainder 6 and 5 respectively? So 1657 minus 6 equal to 1651. 2037 minus 5 is equal to 230. 232. 2032. 2032. Taking the HCF of these two, 2032 divided by 1651, we will get. So we will get 127 as the HCF. HCF 127. So answer will be option C. 127 will be the answer. So this is the last question of this section. Thank you.